Hi, this is Jamie Pate. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video belongs to a series of MemoryDex card videos. Today we're going to be crafting card number 3. To view all the videos, please feel free to subscribe to my channel and you'll be able to have an opportunity to see this entire MemoryDex series. Also, there's a companion kit that belongs to this series of MemoryDex cards. It's linked below. As you can see here, I have a couple items from that kit. The kit includes the Heidi Swap dies. This set is the notch and the oval. The second set are the 2 tab square cards. Along with the dies, there is pattern paper, additional cards, as well as plenty of embellishments to make several cards. Like I said, we're going to be working on card number 3 today. In addition to the kit pieces that I have here, you will also need pop dots, a paper piercer, as well as some thread. I've chosen some gold metallic thread to add to this card today. To start, I have a 4x4 swatch of pattern paper here that I am going to use the notch metal die to cut out my MemoryDex card. I'm going to be using the Evolution, and we'll just be sandwiching Mat B and the cardstock, and then my die right on top, and I will be rolling that through. All right, this makes for a beautiful MemoryDex card base. I have here next 2 vellum butterflies. This one's a bit oversized, and I think it's going to look beautiful on here. I'm going to use a small pop dot to put that in place. And I think because I want to make sure that the butterfly wings are creased a little bit and stand up a bit, I'm going to use just a touch of hot glue to put that in place, as I don't want the adhesive to flatten this down. I'm going to give that a moment to dry. Okay, then next I have this pearl pink cardstock starburst. I'm going to take my paper piercer and just add 2 holes in it, and it's going to resemble a button. All right, so I have my 2 holes in there. Next, I'm going to string the gold metallic thread right into the 2 holes and tie it off on the top. Using an additional pop dot, that is going to go right here in the center of this butterfly. What is so beautiful about this card is there aren't actually a whole lot of embellishments happening here. However, I think the vellum just adds such a beautiful lift. The metallic thread, the pearl cardstock, and being able to see through to this gorgeous pattern in the back makes for a beautiful MemoryDex card. So far in this series, we have these 3 cards made, card 1, 2, and 3. I invite you to check out the rest of the videos that go along with this MemoryDex card series. And thank you so much for watching.